Hi students, welcome to Sri Guru Bio classes. In this class, we are going to discuss about another important chapter in 10th class biology, respiration. Respiration. The energy releasing system. The energy releasing system. As we know that food is needed all living organisms, either unicellular or multicellular, both need food to carry out this life process. So, how this food material are changed into that simple nutrients or discussed in this nutrition chapter. Let's revise once again. In this, food is taken, these all living organisms enter into that digestive system. From this digestive system, the complex molecules are degraded into simple molecules. That means they are converted into that nutrients. These nutrients are entered into that blood. So up to here, the process of digestion is completed. The unwanted materials are all also sent outside from the body. So waste materials are sent out and the nutrients are enter into the bloodstream or blood. So this is the role of nutrition. So the food is not completely utilized. The utilization of food material is not completed here. So why this is not completed? The food contains nutrients. These nutrients enter into the blood only. But the energy is present in that nutrients are not released into that outside. How these nutrients are utilized and the energy is come outside. This energy is utilized in that living organisms for their life process. How? In this process of respiration, only the process of respiration, the nutrients are completely digested in that contains energy is released into the outside of the cells. That energy is utilized in these living organs for life process. So the complete utilization of that food materials are takes place in that respiration process only. Up to here, food to blood, the digestion takes place. In this, only half of the process is over in this digestion process. The remaining process is completed in that process of respiration. So what is happening in that respiration? So the respiration process, the nutrients present in the blood is entering into that cells. From these cells, inside the cells, the nutrients present in that cells are degraded or break down into that simple molecules. At the time of breakdown, the energy is released from that process. The energy is utilized for these living organisms. So whenever the nutrients which is present in the cells are breakdown, from this process of breakdown, the energy is released. From this energy is utilized these living organisms to carry out this life process. So all these processes where are going, all these process are takes place. This all process is known as respiration. This all process is takes place inside the cell through the process of respiration. So up to here what happened? the food is taken in the digestive system. So after completion of the respiration only, the energy is coming to that food material. So complete utilization of that food material takes place in that respiration process only. So what we conclude this process, so the digestion process and respiration process are both are useful to complete utilization of this food material. So in this digestion process is not takes place means the food is not converted into complex molecules into simple molecules. That simple molecule respiration is not there means the simple molecules are not converted into that energy. That energy is not coming from that respiration is not there. So both digestion process and respiration process both are important for complete utilization of that food material. Okay, so this respiration process is going on that normal. The energy is continuously releasing from that cells. That energy is utilized for that organism to carry out this life process. Okay, when this respiration process is going in that normal, so whenever the oxygen concentration is more in that atmosphere, so whenever the oxygen concentration is more, the respiration process are also going in the normal condition. So the oxygen is more important for this process of respiration. Only this oxygen is sufficient for this process of respiration? No. So oxygen plus nutrients plus some of the substances are also required for this process of respiration. Whenever the oxygen, nutrients and substances are present in that cells, the respiration process is going on normal way. So that means the food is completely digested and the energy is released. Next, respiration. Where this respiration, the word respiration is coming from? The word respiration is coming from the Latin word. The respiration, the word coming from Latin word. In Latin, respire, that means to breathe. In Latin, respire. Respire means to breathe. So what is that breathe? Breathe is nothing but one inhalation and one exhalation. The process of one inhalation and one exhalation, we generally call it as breathing. But the respiration means only inhalation and exhalation? No. It is not a correct definition for this respiration. So respiration means the process starting with inhalation and they are ended with complete utilization of that food material. Complete utilization of that food material. So when that complete utilization of that food material, the nutrients are break down. The nutrients are break down and the energy is released from these nutrients. So this energy is utilized in the organism. So the complete process of inhalation to breakdown of the nutrients or we call it as respiration. Okay, respiration is not a inhalation and exhalation process. It involves so many steps. So what are the steps are involved in the process of respiration? Where this respiration process takes place? What are the requirements for this respiration are discussed in next classes. Okay, so this is the simple introduction of this respiration. Okay. Is there any doubts or suggestions or comments? Please share in the comment box. And if you want new videos from my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell symbol immediately. So once you press that bell symbol, the new videos are coming to your mobile through notifications. Thank you. Thank you for watching.